If you like music and highly appreciate the quality sound, you will be happy to get the best speakers for the Jeep Wrangler, which can deliver the most outstanding audio. The model you select greatly depends on your budget, and we hope this video below will help you to make the right choice. So in this video we will discuss 5 best sound systems for Jeep Wranglers. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Kicker 4x6 Sound System. Kicker brand of car speakers are known to produce loud and clear sound quality that is very comfortable for all ears. If you own a Jeep, then getting the speakers from Kicker would be a wise decision. In addition, the speakers of this brand are designed to fit perfectly in your Jeep without making it look out of place. These speakers will make the sounds from your Jeep truly authentic in sound quality. Kicker products are made to fit all types of Jeep models and year models. If you want to go for high-end speakers, then it is always better to opt for speakers from Kicker. The speakers of Kicker are known to give the best sound quality in a very short span of time. In fact, many people have come to love these speakers for their excellent sound quality. The Kicker 43DSC4604 speakers are designed by utilizing the most advanced technique in sound field engineering. Number 2. Alpine PSS-22WRA Sound System. The Alpine Electronics PSS-22WRA wireless surround sound system has all the quality and features you need for your Jeep. This system is an ideal choice for adding sound clarity to your movies or music listening experience. It comes with 5 speakers, including 1 subwoofer, and comes with a wired system and a wireless system. These wireless speakers are perfect for putting together a complete home entertainment system. The wireless system makes it easier than ever to get all of your speakers up and running. One of the best things about the Alpine Electronics PSS-22WRA wireless speakers is that they are compatible with nearly every source. You can use these speakers with HD TV, DVD players, CDs, and even your computer. The speakers are so versatile that you can find plenty of places that will allow you to use them with your other electronic devices as well. Number 3. Pyle PLG6C Sound System. The Pyle PLG6C speakers were designed by the renowned audio engineer Rebestos to give the discriminating sound quality for the cost-minded individual. This high-end speaker system will not disappoint even the most demanding audiophile. It features 1 set of 6.5-inch mid-range speakers, 1 set of 3-band balanced dome speakers, and 1 set of passive crossovers. It is an ideal way to update and enhance the range of your current system. The speakers are durable and rugged, which means you get years of trouble-free usage from them. The Pyle PLG series features a number of features such as a front panel control that allows the user to easily adjust the volume and balance of the system. There is also a subwoofer for deeper bass sounds. The woofer is equipped with a locking mechanism that prevents the enclosure from being opened while the speaker is in use. There is also a remote control with push-button controls for easy access. Number 4. Rockford Fosgate 3-Way Sound System. This pair of speakers will give you the sound upgrade you are looking for without costing you a lot of money. They are 6.5-inch speakers with a maximum of 45 watts. They have a 2.15-inch mounting depth and come with all of the hardware and grills needed to make the change. If you have been considering a subwoofer, you will find that these speakers make a drastic difference without a subwoofer. Try the speakers before you make this decision. They are easy to install and can be directly connected to an amp or soldered to the existing wires using the spade terminals on the end of the wires that come with the speakers. If you do not want to go that route, you can always get a wiring harness or a quick splice to make your connection with. Number 5. Bose Audio CH6530 Car Sound System. These speakers are an excellent upgrade choice. They provide good sound quality and they are extremely long-lasting and durable. Their durability is partially due to the polyurethane materials used in their design and construction. The voice coils inside these speakers are resilient and capable of withstanding high temperatures without becoming worn or fatigued. That makes them great for use in Jeeps that are driven off-road on beaches, in deserts, and in high humid conditions. These speakers may require you to get a mounting bracket if you want to mount them as rear speakers in something like a Toyota Corolla. They provide a lot of basses and much better sound than you would expect from a speaker set that is so reasonably priced. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.